My name's Teresa Porter, and my husband John and I have been the proprietors here at the Benbow Historic Inn for 25 years, 25 glorious long years. It's a historic English Tudor hotel in style and design. It carries more of an old world ambiance. There's a quietude about it. We've been trying to get our ADA compliance since the day we walked into the door, and we finally this year completed that project in adding the third wing that the Benbow family was never able to complete. One of the many challenges we faced with this project is trying to blend the old and the new, taking an existing 90-plus-year-old wooden building and joining it with a steel structure that could support a 5-story elevator, making it earthquake-proof. We were on the river, so there's riparian issues. Army Corps of Engineers was involved. We had to jump through so many hoops. But our goal was to mesh the old and the new as seamlessly as possible. I saw some guests in the lobby today that had no idea that they were in a new part. They thought it was all part of the original. So that made me feel like we accomplished what we set out to do. So we now have a gorgeous elevator, ADA-compliant suites, a new bar. And so what we're going to view today is one of the new 10 suites that we've added along with our ADA-compliant rooms. I came up with the idea of naming each of the new suites after the original founders of the hotel, which includes the 9 brothers and sisters of the Benbow family, and Mr. Linzer, who had owned the ranch and sold it to the Benbows. This room is part of the new addition, but we incorporated all of Evangeline's personal things that we could find and her paintings to make it her suite. I've managed to collect and restore numerous pieces of her artwork, including ones that were original to the hotel. Each guest room had paintings by Evangeline. Once the Benbow family that still resides here found out that I was researching and honoring their past, they opened up trunks and treasure troves. I cataloged literally thousands of letters, photographs, blueprints, ephemera. Thank God they were pack rats. And it's been such an interesting journey. The letters give not only an insight into their personal foibles, but also the construction of the hotel and what happened during the war and how death affected them and the politics of Humboldt County at the time. So it's more than a family history, it's more than a hotel history, it's a Northern California Americana history. In probably the worst throes of our construction period, where things were just going wrong left and right, and then there was a leak in the ceiling of the old lobby. The beautiful plaster was falling down, and we sent our maintenance crew up there to find out if there was a broken pipe. And they found 2 artifacts up there. They found a Prince Albert tobacco can and a brushed metal mechanical pencil. I took that pencil, which still had lead in it, and I just looked at it and I said, this has to be Helen's. And in the middle of one of the photographs, Helen was standing with that pencil around her neck on a ribbon. So I'm going to take that and say that's from Helen, telling us we do a good job. John and I are really proud to be the owners. We have a partner, Jack McDonald, who was just here today, and I think he's really proud to be an owner as well and proud of what we've accomplished here. It's not just a hotel. It's the people who stay here. It's our employees. 25 years of devoting every day of my life to it.